Hi, welcome to Fornet Power Videos. This is DC here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the destroy command in ICODE SLIX2 tags. So, destroy command literally destroys the tag. And this command is not available in the first two generation, I would say, the SLI and SLIX labels. Once the destroy command is run against a tag, the tag will not respond for any further commands. So there are many uses of the destroy command. So one of the use which I have seen these days are the NFC labels or the RFID tags. They are very much used in the product counterfeit applications. Now say for example, assume that it's a washing machine. So for example, now it's very common these days to see a NFC label which is stuck to the washing machine. This is an NFC label. Now when somebody scans, assume that most mobile phones these days, they do come with the NFC reader writer. Now when somebody taps this NFC label, now what happens, this NFC label consists of a URL or an NDEF message, or URL which is encoded using NDEF message that will go back to the manufacturer's website, and the manufacturer website will display more information about the product. So this is a very interesting application. Probably many students can, if you're really interested, you can do a project on this area. It's very interesting to play with. It's also conceptual wise, the concept is also very interesting. So the URL here that's present in the tags might carry some additional information which is encrypted, so that we don't want anyone to copy this type of labels. So coming back to this example, so assume that you have a phone, you tap this tag, and the phone took all the information that's in the NFC tag, send it to the website of the manufacturer, and the manufacturer website says, okay, so this is the product information, and this is the for example, this is a new stock, and probably it might also say that this product is supposed to be present in, say, India. It could be this supposed to be in a place in a Bangalore. This is a simple example. So once the dealer or the retailer, when he sells this washing machine, the label on the washing machine can be destroyed. So once it's destroyed, so nobody can use this label, and nobody can use this or place this label on some of the product that could be a fake product. Okay, so I hope you understood. The destroy thing, it has got so many applications. If you just close your eyes and think, you get lots of ideas. So that's what I mentioned here. So once the product is sold, and the dealer can run send the destroy command to the label, so from that point onwards, this label is no more valid. So nobody can reuse this label. So this is one of the example of how NFC tag is used for counterfeit applications. So you're going to study the command structure. So when you use this command, you don't need, so for example, the destroy has got its own password. You have seen this in SLIX2 tags. It has got 5 passwords. One of them is related to destroy password. So you don't have to set the destroy password before running this command. You don't need authenticate to destroy password. Now the interesting thing here is you have to send the destroy password along with the command. Compare this with a read and write operation in SLX2 tags. If a page is protected, before you read, we first send the read password. After that, you do the read operations. Or if it's write protected, you first send the write password. After that, you can send any number of write commands. Whereas here, we are going to send the password along with the command itself. And finally, now, as I mentioned before here, you have to be very careful when you use this tag. If you've got very limited labels with you, you better understand this concept and just keep in mind there is a destroy feature in this type of labels. If you've got plenty to play with, so you can try, and once destroy command is executed, you cannot undo this operation. So like we did in other videos, so you have to first understand the command structure. This is the command structure. It's very nicely explained here, and this command will carry the UID. Sorry, not UID. UID is optional. So it carries this password which is already XORed. So if you don't know anything about XORed, please see my other videos on how to use the passwords in SLX tags. So with this background, I'm going to destroy a tag in front of you. You can see I've connected my OmniKey 502 to reader writer. The destroy command will also work if you have got the PN580 software. The version of software I'm using is the 2.8.1. I'm going to activate, go to the IS-15693 screen, activate, say get, and since this is the first time we are speaking about the destroy command, I will show you how would you change the destroy password. Now I know my password. If you look at the screen here, for a brand new tag, the destroy password is 0f0f0f. However, I have already changed the password to 5. Now I'm going to get the random number. I'm going to set this before setting. You have to go into the address mode, set the password. I'm going to change the password to, say for example, 10. Oh, sorry, not here. I'm going to change the password to 10. Right, the password is changed. So next we are ready for running the destroy command. Activate. So run few commands, because this is the last time you're going to see this command on this tag. Get the random number. So we have to send the destroy password. You know that the destroy command requires the XORed value of the destroy password. So you have to first enter the destroy password, and you can either get any random number. When you get random number, the correct destroy password is XORed, and this is the XORed 30-bit number. This is the number you need to send along with the destroy password. So go to there probably will also get, yeah. So now destroy. Now there is a warning that says, do you want to destroy this label forever? So hit yes. Now we got a success command here. Now this tag is destroyed. Now how do we check if it's destroyed? So try to reactivate the tag. So go here. Look at that, the activation fails. So you just cannot do anything with this tag. So because the tag is not getting activated, it means the tag is destroyed. Now this is the PN580 software. I'm going to try to use this tag in this software. So I'm going to RF on and activate. Look at that, even here also the activation fails. So the tag is completely destroyed. So that's all about the destroy command, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.